People only see the final video but never see the struggles behind every shoot. They see the uploads but not the sleepless night. They hear the background music but not the silent battles inside our minds. As I walk on this road today, parang ang daming pumapasok sa isip ko. Life really feels like this road, sometimes mahaba, tahimik, minsan mainit, minsan madilim. And honestly, there are days na hindi mo alam kung tama pa ba yung direction na tinatahak mo. But you still keep walking kasi wala namang mangyayari kung titigil ka. Being a content creator is not easy. Akala ng iba simpleng video lang. Pero behind every content, there's pressure, overthinking, pagod, and self-doubt. There are moments when you question yourself. May manonood pa kaya? Magiging successful ba ako dito? Worth it ba yung pagod ko? But somehow, you still pick up your camera, you still press record, you still try again. Because deep inside, you know these dreams mean something to you. And this is me, just a simple person with a big dreams. Wala mang mamahaling gamit, wala mang malaking setup, pero nandito pa rin lumalaban nangangarap. Sometimes I look at myself and realize how much I've changed. From someone who was scared to show himself on camera, to someone slowly learning how to express emotion through video. And honestly guys, creating content become more than just a hobby. It become my escape. Kapag magulo isip ko, gumagawa ko ng content. Kapag malungkot ako, nagsishot ako ng videos. Kapag feeling ko walang nakakaintindi sa akin, camera yung nagiging kasama ko. Every vlog become a memory, every upload become proof that I survive another day. Minsan walang support, minsan may paghusga, minsan may mga tao nagsasabi na wala namang nangyayari dyan. But they don't understand, this is not just a content for us. This is a passion, this is our dreams. Even if the progress is slow, even if the views are low, I still continue. Because one day, someone will watch this video and say, grabe, nagsimula lang pala siya sa simpleng shot sa kalsada. And while standing here beside these fields, I realized something important. Nature teaches us patience. Hindi agad tumutubo yung palay sa isang araw. Dumaan muna sa init, sa ulan, at sa bagyo. Bago ito mamunga, and maybe ganun din tayo. Maybe all struggles we face right now are preparing us for something bigger. Maybe the reason why life feels hard sometimes is because we are growing. So if you're watching this and feeling lost right now, don't give up. Your current situation is not your final destination. Mabagal yung progress pa rin yan. One upload at a time, one step at a time, one dream at a time. And maybe today I'm just walking alone on this road with a camera in my hand. And someday I look back at this exact moment and smile. Because this road, this simple province road was beginning of everything.